Good morning. Look at this view, it's amazing, but I gotta tell you, just this pad is not enough. I mean, it's enough for insulation. Everywhere you see, it seems like a grass, but it's mostly like rock, even underneath that grass. And it's so tough to sleep, like, I never had this tough sleeps like last 2 nights. Fucking terrible. I mean, you wake up like tired and beaten up, like, this day just gonna search for some moss to set up my tent, or just gonna bring some sprouts, needles, like, and put underneath one side of the tent to make it like more cushiony, because I really need like normal sleep. So because I woke up like 5 times, rocks piled up for fire, trying to boil some water. Also need more firewood, so I'm just gonna go over there, because it's mostly like, dead needles and shit. Hey guys, we have fire and camping in Norway. This is how can make almost natural porridge with homemade cranberry and blueberry jam in a few minutes. So first I must boil some water. Must have that. Heat that up so it wouldn't cool down the water, the porridge. Then you shove that porridge inside over there. Then take some water, make it like so. Mix it in, and then you wait 3 minutes. Should be golden. Maybe I need some more water and make some tea while you wait. Yeah, it's hot enough. Should be fine. If there's too much water, you can always use more porridge. And there you go. You have nice breakfast in the beautiful scenery. Amazing. Already had a taste. It tastes like turbo amazing. It's almost ready to eat. Yeah, let's taste that. No, it's like a cliche, everyone is doing this, but when you're in the wild, you're tired, and you slept like really bad and was really cold, it's like only comfort you have, apart the fire. It just feels different, And I can just keep it warm by eating next to the fire, which is amazing. Apart the smoke, nice. Okay, I'm gonna make some tea or something. Amazing. Just ate some food. Made half of my water, one full bottle, and it already cooled down in a lake. It doesn't taste too good, to be honest, not like from a stream, but hey, still drinking water. The last night and this morning I was really dehydrated, judging on the pee. If the pee is dark, it means you dehydrated really badly. Yeah, so I'll have to drink a little bit more today. we go. Hey guys, so I'm walking to my next place, which is roughly like 7 kilometers behind you, straight to the north. Yeah, so maybe a short walk, like amazing. Yeah, so ton of people are just cycling here every like 2 or 3 minutes. It's like a group of people passes me. Yeah, Norway people are really nice. They're polite. Most of the time they say hello, just hiya. And one of them ladies said this morning, good morning, I suppose, sounding really close to English. Guten Morgen, Guten Morgen, something like that, but since I heard just one, so can't be 100% sure if that's correct, basically. Yeah. I'm gonna fill it up with this way better. While we wait, it's filling it up. We're gonna eat some snacks. This water is filtered to their roots, and also they give snacks. It's also full of water. Okay, so fill up my bottles with water which looks like a piss, but it's coming from the ground, from underneath the ground, so it should be okay. So I'm gonna have a taste test. I'll describe you the flavor of it. Definitely refreshing. Keep the weight in your mind when you're planning trips. let's go. Just a stream. So let's fill up and let's see if this is better. Yeah, so it's coming straight from the ground. There's no lake, no river, nothing uphill. So it must be coming from the ground. Oh, that's what we mean. It's really tasty. Yeah, gonna drink some more. Yeah, Norway is so cool. Look at this place. I mean, it's so nice. Looks fucking cool. In between the moss, the stream goes into the lake. And what I saw is geese with its kids, 3 children, 1 mama or father, and the other parent is hunting for food somewhere to feed the young, and then they're gonna change. Yes, Mr. Geese? Yes, of course. Cool. Yeah, but cute pond, cute lake. All that orange grass over there, it's floating, so it's really safe place for them. No big animal could go there. Maybe fox, coyote, if they have coyotes in here. Haven't made any. What a beautiful place. It's Norway. Not the wind. Just we picked the perfect place. Oh, look what we have. Fire pit. That's nice view. Just look at the bottom. Oh, rocks and stuff. Not too bad. Would like to go for a dip. Who wouldn't? almost like glass. Everything is really spongy. Don't want to slide into the water. Wouldn't be the best. Oh, shit, that looks as well super dodgy. Okay, with other hand. Okay, that's holding. That's holding. That's probably not gonna hold. Yeah, I need some berries. Oh, that's nice. Not that deep, but I don't want to get all soggy. Yeah, so I changed my mind. That's gonna be my fire spot, and that's gonna be where my tent is gonna go. Gonna wake up with amazing view. Should be amazing. Okay. Probably all can see the bits of corns. Not corns, what they called spouse tree, like seeds. So there's squirrel probably up. Okay, I'm gonna continue on my search. Yeah, just gonna make myself some tea. Gonna watch a movie. Gonna go to bed tomorrow. I'll wake up as early as possible, so I could go where there is reception and call my parents, because they probably worried sick. Yeah, so brought hot water. Gonna reheat it a little bit extra, and gonna make some tea, because why not? Right, bueno noches. Yeah, threw out spider because it's not place for him in here. Good night, guys.